Bwana asifiwe. Mwathani agoshwo. Murega inyuothe. Nindake na muno ni undu wa kumuona. Maritwa makwa njitagwo Lois Wamboi. Kuri majwe ta Councillor Lois na ndacokea ngatho ni undu wa ihinda riri. Ndienda gucokeria Ngai ngatho ona ni undu wa Bishop Jane Ngai akurathime ni undu wa opportunity ino. Na ndero njuke thome history ya Grace Chapel, but because of the interest of time I'm going to read it in English niguo tuthie na mbere. Grace Chapel Fellowship Center, it is a dynamic and deliverance ministry that was founded by Bishop Jane Kingori close to 15 years ago. It is a ministry that was birthed during a time of immense pain and distress, and God instructed his servant Bishop Jane to name it Grace Chapel as a constant reminder that the grace of God will always be sufficient. And this far we testify the unending faithfulness of our God. The ministry began with 5 people in a very tiny room in Kayole. It was such a humble beginning that we could not even afford seats, and so we used to lay lessons on the floor and sit on them. But even in those humble beginnings, the power of God was moving in a mighty way, healing the sick, delivering the oppressed, and ministering to people. As we continued to grow and increase in numbers, we shifted from one place to another, looking for a place that could accommodate our growing capacity. Then in 2010, our General Overseer Bishop Jane said that God had spoken to her, that we will no longer worship in rental rooms, and God is providing a spacious place for us. And true to the word of God, by June that year, the church had acquired a prime piece of land in Kayole, and the construction of the sanctuary began. And believe it or not, the construction of that sanctuary took only 14 days. And God has been faithful. Everybody was amazed, and that structure is still very strong up to date. 2020, that is last year when Corona was there, when Corona began, after we have been in Kayole for 10 years, God spoke again through his servant, and he said he's moving us to an even better place. When the servant of God said that to us, and she said that we are going to build in January, nobody believed her. We all doubted, but she's a woman of great faith. And it has taken only 2 months to complete this sanctuary to the honor and the glory of God. Grace Chapel Fellowship Center Donholm is a true testimony that when God speaks, he brings us to pass, and we give glory to his name. Bishop Jane Kingori is a visionary leader and a woman of great faith. She's a woman of unshakable faith. Under her leadership, Grace Chapel Fellowship Center has grew in leaps and bounds, making it one of the fastest growing churches in the city. The church has branches in various parts of the country, such as Nakuru, Ruaka, Rongai, and Kikuyu. And I want to urge all of us that we continue supporting the servant of God and the huge ministry that God has placed in her heart. And we are stronger together, God being at the head of everything. God bless you so much.